About factory-type pineapple leaf fiber extraction equipment, decorticator, dewatering, cleaning machine, roll brushing machine. Connected pineapple leaf puts on the feed mode of automatic decorticator to separate the fiber. The fiber is out from the bed and transferred by the wheel of decorticator under the inertial force to the dewatering cleaning machine. When transferred the fiber by dewatering cleaning machine, it also sprays, dewaters and removes the surface waste. The equipment water pipe is connected with the tap water pipe to clean pineapple fiber. The fiber would be whiter after cleaning. Polishing treatment. Polish left and right sides. Remove the surface residue waste of pineapple fiber after dewatering. After spraying, dewatering and polishing, the pineapple fiber is collected by collection device. Then use roll brushing machine to remove the impurities in the fiber. The operation of roll brushing machine is very simple. Put the fiber into the middle inlet and pull it to complete. This is the finished pineapple fiber. The pineapple fiber feels like silk, so it is also called pineapple silk. Above three machines are the simplest equipment. If need any consultation, please contact